Hey editors, welcome back. I'm sᴏᴄɪᴜ and I'm going to give you the best tutorial on 3D text dripping in Node Video. Every step shown in this video is necessary and important, so make sure you don't skip the video. Instead, you can increase or decrease the speed of the video, and especially the end part of the video is important, in which I've shown you how to edit the transform part of the 3D text. Now let's watch the preview of the 3D dripping text. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Select the resolution as per your desire. I apologize if you find the tutorial speed too fast. This won't happen next time. Now download the Devil Candle font and select it. Also, you can find this font in my Telegram channel. Join it and download the font from there. Make sure to add the 3D text into a group. And then add the smear dripping effect and other effects like glow, etc. Only then will all these effects work on the 3D text. Now follow my steps carefully to recreate this easy 3D dripping text. But don't worry if you can't recreate it. I'll release this preset after getting 100 likes and after reaching 150 subscribers on my channel. I know you guys have low-end device and skill issues, as many of you used CapCut in starting of your editing journey. And now you all have the habit of using ready-made presets, and it's very shameful as an editor. Also, many YouTubers who give only presets just for gaining high views, likes and subscribers too early, and they don't want to put high efforts in making quality tutorials, are just exploiting you all. I agree that they should provide you presets, and you all can also use presets, but they should at least build a foundation, like how to create stuff, so that you all can learn and apply presets, and can create stuffs on your own. So you all must try to watch tutorials and then recreate the presets. You can adjust the glow settings on yourself, or copy me.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute.
Finally, the dripping part of 3D text is done. Now we move on to the last part of this tutorial. That is movement and transform of 3D text.
Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me.
Copy my graphs. Graphs are most important step in the process of animating any object. If you want to learn more about it, I'll make a separate video on graphs that will help you understand in-depth details about graphs that will drastically improve your editing skills and will also increase the smoothness of your edits. And as an editor, you must learn smallest in-depth detailings about the graphs to make editing easier. Just comment, bring up in-depth detailed graphs tutorial, and I'll make and upload it as fast as I can. This part of text animation, which includes position and rotation, is very important because it will help you animate all types of 3D texts. And this is that one part of animation that makes 3D's texts look good and attractive. It also helps in a 3D text blow-up or 3D text explosion animation. If you want me to make the best 3D text explosion animation tutorial like After Effects and Node Video, then comment down below, bring up 3D text explosion animation tutorial, and I'll upload it as soon as possible.
So I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all. You got one life to pop. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best.
Finally, it's done. Now export it in the highest resolution that your device supports. Please support me and this channel if you like the content, so that I can upload more high-quality tutorials like this, so that you all can learn to edit like After Effects and match the skills of After Effects editors in just a normal mobile. Thanks for watching. Wait for more tutorials. Love you all for your love and support. Be calm and maintain peace. Bye, editors. Take care, and visit again if you want any help. Also join my Telegram channel for all presets, and you can DM me on Instagram for any help, or if you want to give me any suggestions. Link is in the bio of our YouTube channel.